TSS v440 released. Hey everyone, today we have exciting news. TSS Checker v440 is now available. This tool is designed to check Apple's TSS signing status and now supports saving cryptEx1 blobs. Let's dive into the details. If you're interested in downgrading iOS, saving SS blobs is essential. These blobs allow you to restore an unsigned iOS version, giving you more control over your device's firmware. However, Apple has been working to prevent downgrades, introducing new security measures like the cryptEx1 seed in iOS 16. With TSS Checker v440, you can now save cryptEx1 blobs. This is a major update for those who want to downgrade their devices in the future. The tool also allows you to dump the 0x8A4 key, which is necessary to encrypt the cryptEx seed using the x8A4 tool. Here's what's new in TSS Checker v440. cryptEx1 blob saving support, essential for iOS 16 Plus users. x8A4 key dumping, needed for encrypting the cryptEx1 seed. Wide device support, works with iPhones, iPads, Apple Watch, Apple TV, HomePod, M1 Max and T2 coprocessor devices. Debug version available, useful for researchers and developers exploring Apple's TSS servers. TSS Checker is only available for Linux and Mac OS. If you're using Windows, you'll need to run it on a virtual machine or a Mac. Here's how to use TSS Checker v440. 1. Download TSS Checker. Get the latest version from the official source. Check your device's signing status. Enter your device model and firmware version to see if it's still signed. 3. Save your blobs. Use the Print TSS Response option along with your ECI to store SSH blobs for future downgrades. If you want to encrypt your cryptEx1 seed, you must use the x8A4 tool and dump the required 08A4 key. TSS Checker isn't just about checking firmware signing status. It can also help uncover unexpectedly signed firmware versions that Apple doesn't officially list. This could be useful for anyone looking to restore their device to a specific iOS version. Saving your blobs now can be a game changer if you ever want to downgrade. TSS Checker v440 makes it easier than ever to prepare for future downgrades by supporting cryptEx1 blobs.